Hi, I'm Furnace Bully, and today, I am going to pour baby oil on the kitchen floor. It will be so funny. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I poured baby oil on the kitchen floor. Now I must get out of here before I get spotted.
I am going to cook grilled chicken, rice, and corn for tonight's dinner. Whoa. Ouch. What the fuck? What did I just slip on? Huh. Is that baby oil? Why in the living hell would there be baby oil on the kitchen floor? Like, what idiot would pour baby oil on the kitchen floor?
That would be me, Mom. Ha 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 ha. I was the one who poured baby oil on the kitchen floor to make you slip and fall. Pretty funny, right?
Oh. You think pouring baby oil on the floor and making me slip and fall on the kitchen floor is pretty funny? Huh. Well, guess what, Furnace Bully? It's also pretty funny that you are going to be grounded for a month for doing this to me. As a punishment, you are going to get a mop and bucket, and you will be mopping the baby oil off of the kitchen floor. And also, I will be telling your father about this when he gets home. Now get moving.
Man, this is bullshit.